Hello students, this is Mr. Anderson. This is going to be an open video, so there's going to be people in my class or people not in my class that will be able to see this. So thanks for watching. I don't do this for views or subscribers. I basically do this for my class. So, if you like it, hey, this is great. Leave me some feedback. I'd appreciate it. I'm not a true public speaker, so I do tend to choose my words rather quickly. Sometimes I don't make a lot of sense. But anyway, this is AutoCAD. In fact, we've got AutoCAD 2020 up here. Probably going to switch to 2021 come the fall. But this is how we open stuff up. I'm going to be going over it's problem P6-1, how to set that up, how to start drawing it. It's from the Engineering Graphics Essentials with AutoCAD 2020 instruction. So it's a very popular textbook for the beginning and intermediate CAD class, which is CAD 100 and CAD 200 at Elizabethtown Community and Technical College, which is where I teach. So what we do first, we open up our templates, our drawing template, which I've got mine saved right there. I have a few others in here, but that's what we have here. And I'm going to go to the model space. Now we need to adjust our snap so that we have the isometric. So we got to go down here to style. There's the isometric. Vertical spacing is at 0.5, which is good. That's what we wanted at. And then we go down here and we're going to isoplane top. So that way we have this going on here. And now we're going to draw lines. So let me get out of the border, go to the object line there. And we're just going to start. That looks like a good spot right there. And the object we're drawing is going to be, it's going to have a 3 by 2 inch base. So I'm going to go up here, go 3, and then 2, and then 3. And then C for close. Okay. Now what I like to do, since I've already drawn it once, why draw it again? So I'm going to copy it straight up, and it's going to be 0.5 thick. So I think that's where we stopped at, was 0.5. I'm going to put it in there, 0.5. So there's that. Next we're going to draw. I should have took a picture and showed you what we're drawing if you don't have the book, but then again, you really need to have the book to be doing this work. So let's see. It's going to be too high from the. Okay, so let's get back here. And it's going to be too high, but that's including the ½ inch at the bottom, so it's going to be 1.5, and then it is, how wide is it? It looks like it is 1. So we come straight down. Okay, next I want to grab those, and we're going to copy those. It's a ½ inch thick. So we're going to go, I like to grab things here, so I'm going to make it 0.5, even though I grabbed all the way down there. Okay, now that's our frame. So now I'm going to start adding our walls, and then start trimming things. I hope everyone is well and healthy. Things are still kind of crazy around these parts. Okay, we're going to have a line that goes across that. And then another one that's going to go from there to there. Now, let's delete what we will not see. And I think okay, now we're going to do the ISO circle for the top. Now, since it's going to be that face right there, we need to do isoplane left. Yeah, that's right. That's correct, I should say. Now, we type in EL for ellipse. We hit enter. We hit the arrow down button. You see ISO circle, so we select ISO circle. So now we specify the center, which is right there. Now we can, ooh, looks like I did it the wrong way. Let's see if it'll let me change that. Ah, it will. Look at that. So we do that, and again, like I said, we copy. And we're going to copy it right there. And then we're going to put our line. I need to make sure the tangent is selected. Okay. So let's put our line. I think I got to turn off my dots there. And I need to have, I'm going to turn off everything except for my tangent. And hopefully that will help. And there we go. And there we go. So, that's all there is to that. Now, let's go ahead and I'm going to leave that there because we need to have that. Now, let's okay. Yeah, because we need to draw another ISO circle. So it's EL for ellipse. We hit enter. Then we hit the arrow down button. ISO circle. Specify center. And I need to turn my snaps back on. And then I need to turn all of my okay. So there we go. And then we say it's going to be 0.5 diameter. So the radius is going to be 0.25. And there's that. Now, I don't think we see that on the back side. But we're going to copy it back anyway. So pick that spot and that spot. And no, since it's not seen, I'm not going to keep it there. So now we can clear those lines, and there's that object there. Now, next we change this back to the isoplane top, And we do the same thing we did a few moments ago. And it's going to be EL for ellipse. And then we hit the arrow down button. ISO circle. Oh, I done messed up. I need to escape out of that because I need to make my lines for my center marks, for the centers of the holes. So the first one is, they look like they're 1/2 inch in both directions. So that's fairly easy. So I can go here and there and here and there and here and there. Now, excuse me. Next, we do the EL for ellipse, arrow down, ISO circle. I can also hit I, the letter I. And then we specify center, and the radius is 0.5. No, it's the diameter is 0.5, so it's going to be 0.25. And then we can hit enter, and wait, I need to do it all over again. EL, ellipse, arrow down, I, enter. There's that. And there's that for the radius, because I got to do that and bring it down. And then I can just copy that guy and put him there. Now I can take that out, that line, both of those, and that one. And then I can trim. And then next, I can take this, copy, use the top of that line, bring it to the bottom of that line, and trim here as well. Get rid of that, and we're done. There you have it. It's that simple. 13 minutes. And that's with me jabbing along. So, what we do is we go to our imperial title block, our inch title block. We type the letters Z as in zoom, A as in all. Where is everything? Oh, I got to activate the viewport. I hope you notice it's 12:16 a.m., so I'm going to use that as an excuse. There we go. So in this case, and the isometrics are the only ones that I'll let you do this. Just, you know, it actually looks good at 1:1. You normally will say, you know, scale to fit, but that's a good drawing right there. So we get rid of the grid pattern. We will take this and come on, there we go. P6-1 and scale. I will allow on the isometrics for you to put NTS, which means not to scale. But since this one is already 1:1, just remember to change your scale on each drawing. Okay. I know there's a way that you can add this as a field, and similar to how the date is right there. Now watch, if you go to if you type in update fields, UPDATE, there it is, update field right there. Enter. It says select field or select objects. Click that, and if I hit enter, it'll turn to 5/13/2020, and there it is. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's all pretty easy. I've been doing this for quite a while, but that's about as straightforward as I can make it for you. You can always, rewatch this, stop the video, and rewind it for a few seconds and do it that way. But hope this is helpful. And if you like it, leave me some good feedback. If you don't like it, I would say keep your opinions to yourself. But if you have an idea that would help me change things, I can use it in future videos. So please, be constructive. Don't be jerks. The world's too full of too many already. So, but anyway, thank you very much for watching. And as always, if you have a question, send me an email. I'm more than happy to help you out. Take care. Bye-bye.